Sophia here from my great challenge. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing another cleaning video. Stick around. Okay, so this is another versus video. In my corner we have me, Sophia, the absolute slob, the worst cleaner on YouTube, weighing at 178 pounds. In the other corner here, we have the fridge weighing at 200 pounds and it hasn't been pulled out of its spot in over a year. Let's find out right now how bad it is. So here is the beast that I'm going to fight with today. This fridge came with the house. Eventually one day it will be replaced with a double door fridge, which means that this part here is gonna have to be removed, but we are nowhere near there. The issue is not just the fact that I have to clean the inside. Here is the freezer part and the fridge part. It's a big mess, but I also have to pull the fridge out of its cubicle here, because we have never done it. So I have no idea what's behind. We're probably gonna find a whole bunch of stuff we're lost and we'll be glad to find. And then at the bottom, I showed you that in the last video yesterday, I have to do whatever you call it. I guess it's a filter, grill, something, vent, and it's just disgusting. So first thing first, I'm going to remove the stuff that's all the way on top and see if I can pull the fridge without emptying it out. Then I'll have to vacuum. Well, first I'll have to assess the damage in the back. Hey, Willie!
I think you have the remote.
I do have the remote for the TV.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. I gotta run to the fridge. Okay. Okay, I got the fridge. This is the side, all right? I look at the back. Look at this, disgusting. Now, there's no coil in the back. This is great. So now I have the, I guess that's the water line. Look at this. Yikes. Bacon. Look, there's a slice of bacon. Broken glass, lots of paper bags and candy over there, and yeah. Alright, let me clean all of this. It's not as bad as I thought. I really thought there was gonna be like a dead mouse or something in there. Let me see. I think there's something. Oh no, one of those expo things. Cell phone numbers from the previous owner. I kid you not, we did not clean this in 6 years. Yep. So, alright. I think I'm just gonna sweep everything and go at it with some kind of product and clean it up, and then I'll put it back in and we'll do the front. back in, and this was a rude awakening. Not regarding the filth in my house, because we all know there's plenty filth to spare, okay? But I realized that my whole excuse about, oh, my grout, it's chocolate brown, that's the color of the grout in my kitchen, just went out the door. Why? Because the untouched grout underneath the fridge is beige. All right? It's not chocolate brown, it's beige. What are you doing? What are you doing? Would you knock it off? All right, I gotta clean the bottom part right here. So I'm gonna have to take out this part. So now you can see most of the grime that was at the bottom here is already gone because I moved the fridge. So I have to remove this, and it's a good thing it's the summer because I have the hose outside, so I can just go ahead and pull this. And yeah, look, you see that? Dog hair, okay? Dog hair everywhere. So listen, ladies, clean your fridge. Not the inside, we're talking about clean everything about your fridge. So I'm gonna tackle this first, and then I'm gonna clean this thing here because very obviously it needs it. So I'm gonna put the product on this and let it soak first, and then I'll give it a good spray outside. Right, so how does one clean this thing here? I guess it's just, what is that? I don't know if it's all dog hair. It looks like there's some kind of foam. Well, I don't want to remove that. Okay, that's dog hair, right? Okay, dog hair. Okay, this is, oh my, oh my. Okay, dog hair, all right, more, wow. Okay, so the coils are here. And this is like a, I don't know if it's dog hair, no, that's a piece of foam. Okay, so all of my cores are covered in dog hair. And what I should do really is get the vacuum cleaner. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get the vacuum cleaner. Now there's this thing here, what's that? See, look, dog hair, all right? I have no shame. I'll share my dirt with you guys. Now there's like a tray here. I don't know if it belongs to the fridge. I don't know. What's in there? Does it belong here? Yeah, I'm going to assume it does. Yeah, okay. All right, I think that needs to get clean. Yeah, I believe that needs to get clean. Oh my God. I don't even know what it's for. All right, going back in here. All right, so there's no coil there. There's only coils there. They were entirely covered. So I'm gonna go and get the vacuum cleaner, and I'm going to vacuum this whole thing here. It's yeah, it's bad. And then this part here, I'm going to spray, and then it's gonna go with the jet outside as well. You like it, Electra? Now even you are running away. All right, so this is all the garbage that was underneath, and that was clogging the, I don't know what you call it. I'm gonna call it the coils, but it's not coils, it's like a vent. Okay, so this is trash obviously, and this needs to get cleaned. Hello. Okay, so of course one of the biggest issue with being a slob like I am is that you never put things back where they belong, and now I can find the pointy attachment for this vacuum cleaner. I dragged this thing all the way down, and I literally spent 20 minutes looking for it everywhere in the house, and I can't find it. So one of those days when I do a purge video, hello the chief, yes, okay. When I do a purge video, we'll probably find it, and I'll go, oh my God, my pointy attachment, I've been looking for it. Story of my life. Let's rinse the parts that go on it. Okay, you guys, this is back in place and it's clean. All right, vacuumed the best I could. I don't have any more grime here underneath, so that's good. And then there's no more grime on top here. So that is the best I can do considering it is 93 degrees outside and probably 85 in this kitchen. So now I'm going to do the freezer first. Just a matter of emptying it and restacking things properly. and then I'll do the fridge. So it's time to empty this thing and clean it. Now I've done that before, and I can't remember, it was probably 2 years ago. Now I've cleaned it since, alright, but I did a video about cleaning my fridge 2 years ago. So I'm not gonna go through the whole process again, but pretty much you know what's going on. These cherries are still delicious. Okay, so I have the sheep right here. I better keep him out of, maybe I should put him in the crate. Anyway. Okay, so garbage can right here, and I'm just gonna remove everything I know is bad. This is bad. This is still good. I should remove stuff from the plastic, but okay, this is still good. Putting it right here. But I hereby declare victory against the fridge. Let me give you a quick tour so you can see how clean it is compared to what it was. So the biggest issue was what was behind the fridge. Notice the sneaker did not move. Okay, hey, I got my flaws. All right, so the fridge front has been clean. This is one of those little curtain rod thing that's magnetized, you put on doors. You can actually put it on your washing machine and fridge if you have, you know, a metallic, because I think the stainless steel, you can't put any magnet on it. But anyway, if you can put magnets on your fridge, you can put one of those. And it's actually pretty practical because I put the kitchen towels on it. So the whole fridge been clean. I didn't show you the top, but the top was clean too. And you saw me clean the whole back of it and underneath. And then I just finished cleaning the handles. So all of this is clean. Now, granted, it's an old fridge, can't even see the label on it, and this is the little lock thing that I got to re-glue because it fell. This is to stop the sheath from opening the fridge, and it actually works really, really good, but it fell off. I got to re-glue it. All right, so freezer's been clean, and you saw that. There's a lot of stuff, but we need everything that's in here, and then the fridge itself is clean. Now, I didn't pull out the stuff like I did the last time in my last fridge cleaning video, I would put everything in the sink and wash everything. I just did spot cleaning because it wasn't all that dirty. The bottom really needed to be clean, and those two bins here, the crispers, had been washed already a couple of weeks ago, so that didn't need to be done. But otherwise, everything has been clean and reorganized in here, and I'm pretty happy. Of course, now I have a big mess in the kitchen again. I'm gonna show you some of that. Yeah, the same kitchen I spent 5 hours cleaning yesterday. So I'm gonna have to clean that up again. We're gonna have a quick lunch, and I have other things to do. I need to deep clean the stove and the microwave, behind the crates from the dogs, and I have to do the floor. I think I'm gonna do the floor next. I should get rid of I'll do the crates, and then I'll do the floor, and then I'll probably do the stove at a later time. Okay, so give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you are new, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I do a lot of cleaning, and I show you all the dirt. Okay, this is not the kind of video vlog where you're going to see nothing but pretty stuff. I'll show you the grime, because grime happens. It happens a lot in my life, but it happens. Okay, give me a big thumbs up again, subscribe if you're new, and I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.